Hello everyone, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Hope you are doing well. This is Johnston of Veneza Port Enterprises on Kalaji. I'm a new farmer who have so much loved having birds, being inspired by many people here. I come to you as viewers, support. Currently I deal in rearing local birds, as you can see them there. They look healthy, they look beautiful, and I come to this channel for support. You support me, I support you. I give expertise in rearing birds with others, selling the products, they old chicks, fertilized eggs, stable eggs, 1 month old chicks, and fully grown mature birds. So friends, I just need your support. As you can see, the birds look beautiful, and on 13th of next month, I'll start selling them. Need your support.